Hey guys, I want to share a quick tip that may help some of you out there. It's about fixing holes in bluestone flooring after you enlarge the door. You may or may not encounter this in your entire career, but we recently got asked by a client to enlarge a door. The door was in a newly renovated mudroom area that used to be kind of this bluestone entryway from the garage to the kitchen. The mudroom floor was 1-inch thick bluestone pavers, wet set in place. And we advised our client that enlarging the door is going to leave these floor scars, these holes in the floor. In this case, they were 2-inch deep holes where the floor terminated up against the door jamb. So with the wood floor, we either install a flush threshold or we replace flooring to make the holes go away. With a wet set masonry application, the most cost-effective solution basically was to fill those voids with cement and then grout on top of them with a colored grout to match the 50-year-old flooring. So I chose hydraulic cement because it sets extremely fast, 3 minutes, and it hardens after it's mixed with water. So not only will it not shrink, it allows me to patch with, put grout over that patch in one application, one project. The hydraulic cement comes in a 10-pound pail for like 15 bucks versus dealing with a 40-pound bag of mortar. I used blue tape. I taped off the bluestone so I would avoid staining it with my hydraulic cement. And then I set down about 3/16 of an inch, kept it low so that I could put grout, and flush that grout out. The bluestone floor was about 50 years old and matching that grout color was a challenge. Almost impossible. We used a grout wheel and we chose a grout that was close. We mixed the grout, laid it in place, and tried to lay it so it matched the existing grout patterns. They were real wide grout joints. The entire repair took 1 hour, guys. Complete. Done. Worked like a dream. I hope this tip helped you guys out. If not, it's always good to just put it back in the back of your head in case you run into it. We'll see you guys next time. Take care.